हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल वैंडरिंग आइज। हिंदी में देखने के लिए ऊपर दिए गए आई बटन को दबाइए। As this is the season of mangoes, I have decided to make mango rasgulla. Yes, in two varieties. If you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to like and share. So without wasting time, let's start quickly. For that, I have taken 1 liter of full fat milk in a pan. In high flame, allow it to boil. Once it started boiling, add 1 cup of mango pulp in batches. If you have fresh mangoes, then peel them, grind the pulp in a mixer and you are ready. Any type of mango will work well for it. But make sure those are sweet and pulpy. Once done with the pulp, add 1 cup of plain yogurt, that too in batches. Mix nicely. You will notice the milk has curdled and whey water is clear. Take out from the flame. Now strain it in a muslin cloth. Do not wash or pour cold water to it. Also, don't squeeze out the water forcefully. Hang it for 2 hours or until the excess water is drained out completely. After 2 hours, take out the chena. You will feel it's soft and moist. Now add semolina, all-purpose flour, sugar and clarified butter or ghee. This is homemade ghee. You can get the recipe link in the I button and the description box as well. Check the description box to get the exact measurements of the ingredients. Mix all these ingredients properly for 5 to 6 minutes, not more than that. While you mix these, you can feel the dough becoming a little gooey. It's because of the moisture present in the chena and it's totally normal. Add a tablespoon of semolina. It will soak the moisture, but not more than that. Now mix nicely. Apply ghee on your palm and try to give them round shape. Make sure there are no cracks on it. Likewise, I have made all the rasgullas. Here I have made 16 balls from the dough. On the other hand, to make the sugar syrup, take 1.5 cup of sugar and 5 cups of water. That's 1.25 liter of water. Allow it to boil in high flame. Once it started boiling, put all the rasgullas into it. Cover with a lid and cook for 15 minutes in high flame. After 15 minutes, we'll open the lid and flip all the rasagullas once. Then again cover the lid and allow it to boil for 20 minutes, this time in medium flame. After 20 minutes, let's see. Yes, they have swollen up. Perfect. Now let's check if they are done or not. For that, put a rasagulla in a glass of water. And you know the trick. If it sinks, it's done. And if it floats, then it needs to be cooked for some more time. Here it's perfectly done, so I am removing it from the heat. The rasagullas are completely done. As I want to show one more variety, now divide the rasagullas in two different containers. In one bowl, pour the same sugar syrup and put half cup of mango pulp in the rest of the sugar syrup and boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. As it is boiling for 4 to 5 minutes, we'll take it out from the heat. As it's done, now pour this sugar syrup in the other bowl. Now they are done. Leave these rasagullas for 2 hours as standing time. After 2 hours, they will be ready to eat. After 4 hours, let me show how soft these rasagullas are. These are perfect and soft. This season, make these mango rasagullas at home, that too without adding any artificial color or essence to it. You can watch my other video on how to make the traditional Bengali rasagulla with tips and tricks. If you are a new viewer, kindly subscribe to the channel and also like and share the video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.